Hello and welcome back to Phantom Stationery. So today we have got this new pen, and the name of this pen is Classmate Hook, and it is a 0.7 millimeter nib size ball pen. So it comes with a hook. That's the main point. When we open up this pen, we can see that it comes with a rubberized grip. The grip of this pen is pretty basic and all. The overall build quality of this pen is pretty nice. Let's further open up this pen. So let's look at the inside. So it comes with a jumbo refill. So this pen will last a little bit longer. So that's one good thing that we can say about this pen. So let's close it back. So the overall the main highlight of this pen is the hook. And now let's say about the in-hand feel. So the in-hand feel is pretty neat, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. So the overall build quality of this pen is pretty good. I mean, it's nice. Here you can see the hook of this pen, so we can hang this thing around our pockets and all. The overall build quality of this pen is pretty good, and from Classmate, this is one thing. There are many pens like this, like there is Classmate's spin ball pen and all. So now let's write with this pen. So the writing quality of this pen is pretty neat. The comfort is not that much good, but it does the job. So on the point of comfort, it is not that much good, but the writing flow and the ink flow is very good. The overall build quality of this pen is pretty neat, and I would rate this pen a 7 out of 10. And yeah, that's what I have to say about this pen. And thank you for watching this video, and subscribe for more videos like this.